Hello guys, WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. It's not a big deal. I will tell you a quick trick so then you will be able to see your WhatsApp images in gallery as well. So what you have to do, just open your WhatsApp, then click on the three dot icon on the top right corner and then select settings, and in this section you just simply click on storage and data, and here you just see the option of media auto downloaded. So select the first option when using mobile data and select all, and then click on OK. And when connected on Wi-Fi, so you must select all as well. And when roaming you just select photos in OK. You have to do one more thing. You just go to the chat and make sure that your media visibility is enabled, and now you will be able to see your WhatsApp images in gallery as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.